In this video, I'll be making a start on my Verde Itabag. Off camera, I cut out a piece of board to use as the base insert for the bag. I then covered it with a pillowcase. I didn't want to damage the pillowcase in case I eventually used it again, so I just used duct tape to hold it in place instead of glue, because that makes a mess. Please excuse the redness on my hands. I have eczema and at the moment it's looking pretty good. This was filmed when it was having a bit of a flare-up, so unfortunately, I didn't do a very good job of taping it all together and it ended up a bit wonky, but oh well, time to cover it with ribbon. Due to lockdown, I wasn't able to get any ribbon that had holes in, so I made do by using some ribbon for a cosplay I'm working on and some plaits made out of wool. I was only able to make 3 ribbons and not 4, but it worked out fine because the window in the heart-shaped bag I'm using is quite small. And yeah, I made an absolute mess with this glue gun. They are not my friend. I then started duct taping the ribbons to the board in, even spacing. It can be quite tricky as you have to make sure the ribbon is taut enough that it's not going to collapse when you pin something to it. I printed off some pictures of Emma's cards from the Love Live game and used them as a background, especially since it's all wonky. Then it was time to start trying to place badges, which was actually surprisingly difficult. It took me about 5 tries to get it right, but thanks to the magic of editing, you don't know, except you do now. And there she is, my almost finished Itabag. I added some little squishies of bread and various desserts to the side because Emma's thing is bread. Of course, at the moment, the bag's a bit empty, so hopefully I'll get some more Emma stuff, but at the moment, I think it's a good start.